Hi, today I want to show you inside our math reference collection. This is 3 books. They are each available individually or they're available as a set. So we're going to start with the first one, the youngest age one, the First Illustrated Math Dictionary. And I don't usually do this, but I am just going to flip it over and show you what it says on the back because I feel like this really explains what this dictionary does. So starting at the very beginning with numbers and counting, this book gently and reliably guides children and parents through the essential math concepts needed in the first few years at school. Readers can use it as a dip-in dictionary, more like a reference to keep on your shelf, or work through it by subject to build up knowledge and skills step by step. So let's take a look inside and see what kind of stuff is covered. Like it says, here's the, what is math? And then here's the contents. I'll keep it here for a little bit so you can pause the video and see what's in it if you would like to. But, it really starts with the basics, numbers, and, counting, and numerals, 0 to 10. And it's very, brightly illustrated, so it's going to be much more interesting than a typical just like math textbook or dictionary. But, we're going over tallies, numbered names from 0 to 100, counting to 1,000. I mean, that's just really cool to see all what 1,000 flowers looks like. And then we've got number tracks, number lines, place value, just a lot of things that kids are going to be learning in the first years that they take math. Times tables, geometry, sizes and measuring. Great book for younger kids. As your kids get older and they're getting into, elementary math, this is going to be another great dictionary that you can go in, subject, step by step, or just use it as a reference to keep on your shelf. So, it's a little bit more complex, the kind of things you're going to be dealing with in this, but it's still kind of the same format where it takes you from the basics, you're just going more in depth about it, and then working your way up in a logical progression, the way that you're learning math. So this one does not have nearly as many little pictures. I mean, it still keeps the information short and varies it, puts in little bites of information and some diagrams and things, but it's not going to have a bunch of flowers and, hot air balloons and just the illustrations that you would see in the first one. I mean, we get into time here and everything. So this is really interesting. All right, then you've got older kids who are getting into upper level math. This one comes with recommended websites as well. So this one is really going to be a great reference book for your older students. It tells you about how the internet links work. I talk about that in another video. But yeah, if you have a kid who's struggling with math and needs maybe something explained in a different way, or maybe your kid's not really struggling, but you just need to be able to take this because it's been a while since you had any math classes and you need to be able to help your kids with their homework, this is going to be a great reference for every single bookshelf. So if your kids are older and you feel like you just want this book, that would be great. But if you have younger kids, I would definitely recommend getting this set because you're going to need them. So that's just a quick overview on our math reference books, but I hope it helps. Thanks.